everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing some cleaning and organizing in my kitchen, so if you are in need of some motivation and organization ideas, stay tuned. First, I'm going to get all of the dishes put away and put more dishes into the dishwasher, and then I will hand wash a few dishes and scrub out the sink. I will be using the Dawn Power Wash for my dishes and cleaning my sink, and then I will move into cleaning all of my surfaces in the kitchen using my Method multi-surface spray. I recently purchased the grapefruit scent and I love it for summertime.
Forgot that feeling, the sun in my face, it's so well needed. Life will take care of the rest. Biking alone in the sunset, through the canal, so the mindset I needed. Yeah, I needed. Oh, let's freeze time, gather around, watch the sun go down. Oh, in summertime, cruising around in this crazy town. Oh, just you and I, just you and I. Just you and I. Just you and I. Just you and I.
you are new to my channel, I'm so glad that you clicked on today's video. My name is Logan and I love to share home related content. I like to share cleaning motivation, organization, and home decor. I also share like DIY home renovation videos and home decor shopping hauls. So if you're into all things budget friendly and home related and DIYing things in your home on a budget, I would love for you to hit that red subscribe button below. I have a ton of previous videos linked in the description box below if you want to go back and watch any of my DIY videos that I have made in my home.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name.
Now I'm just going to do a quick vacuum with my Dyson. I used some of the Arm & Hammer carpet refresher that I get from Dollar Tree on my rug. I don't do this every time I vacuum, but I do like how it freshens things up and makes the whole house smell good to sprinkle a little bit of this on all of my rugs, like every other time that I clean or something like that. So I'm just doing a quick vacuum in this video. I will also be giving y'all an update on my fridge. I shared a bunch of kitchen organization videos right after Christmas. I think like the middle of January. So in January I shared like a pantry video, a fridge video, and then just a general video of me decluttering and organizing my entire kitchen. So I just wanted to share some clips at the end of today's video since I had just cleaned and restocked my fridge for a little TikTok that I made. But I'm just going to show you what my fridge looks like when it is clean and organized and ready for me to refill it with groceries, and I'm going to tell you like where my containers came from and things like that. But if you want to see my whole video where I initially started organizing my fridge like this, I will have it linked below. Like I said, I shared it in January. So if you want to see how my fridge is looking, stay until the end of the video. But thank you so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please leave it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe below for more home content. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.
Yes, I know my name. Oh, oh.
I just wanted to give y'all a little fridge update. I haven't really shared any like fridge organization since like January, maybe February. But I just kind of went through some of our condiments and straightened that up. And I also just filmed a restock for TikTok. I love watching like organizing and restocks and things like that over on TikTok. So if you're interested in seeing more things like that, you can follow me at Logan W. Gill on TikTok for shorter little videos and hauls and things like that. I'm also planning on sharing like my next restock in a YouTube video. I was just kind of rushed today and I filmed my little restock TikTok, and I just wanted to show you how everything is looking now that it is kind of restocked and straightened up. I did not really straighten up my drawers, so I have some fruit and veggies in there that do not look super organized. It is also time for groceries. I usually don't have a watermelon up here. I need to slice this up and get it put into containers, but I like to eat it cold. So I like to put it in the fridge and then I'll cut it and put it in a bowl and eat it. But I have that up there for now. I usually will have drinks up here, and then that frees up more space for food, obviously, but we will not be home a lot this weekend that I'm filming this video. So I restocked all of our drinks and I will do a grocery pickup on Monday. So I just have a bunch of Gatorade Zero, and I shared this container in a shopping haul maybe a month or two ago. I found it at Home Goods, or I might have found it at Ross. I shared several shopping hauls a couple of months ago, and I shared stuff from Ross, Home Goods, and Marshall's. So these are either from Home Goods or Ross, but this one has the little like edge, so it's kind of like a drawer. I keep water in here. This one has a little handle on both ends, and it is a good size for the Gatorade Zero right now. These I shared in my original fridge organization video. They are from Dollar Tree. They are a great size for cans. So I have some energy drinks for Ethan, and he loves to get this kind at the store, and this was my first time seeing them at Dollar Tree, so I bought several of those. He likes to drink those before work sometimes. And then I have Diet Mountain Dew and Dr. Pepper and cream soda, zero sugar. Probably my favorite soda to drink right now. And then I just have some veggies here. So kind of an empty fridge, but when it's empty, it looks even more organized. So I just wanted to update y'all. I have been keeping everything organized since I shared my organization videos in January. So, and then I keep my eggs in here, but we're low on those as well. These buckets are also from Dollar Tree. I usually have both of them full of eggs, but like I said, I need groceries. So I just wanted to check in with y'all if you watched that little series where I organized my kitchen, and show y'all that my fridge is still looking clean and organized. It just doesn't have a lot of food right now.